Hello everyone, I am Rowala Juniores and I am with my group mates,
Sheila Talismo, Marginal Batapa,
Doong Mary Joy, and we are here to talk about the sixth principle which is titled,
Ours is a finite earth.
So what does we mean when we say,
Ours is a finite earth.
well, everything has its own limit. Limited time, limited opportunities, and so on. Everything has its own limit and our earth is not an exception.
Finite resources
are natural resources that exist in limited quantities and cannot be replenished in human lifespan. These resources are of
finite supply
and can eventually depleted if not managed sustainably.
Everyone, we are the students from TCGC. So today, we'll be looking for students who are from TCGC, or we call Lux Mundis, so that we can listen if they agree or disagree about ours is a finite earth. So what are we waiting for? Let's find out.
Do you agree bang na sir natin earth is infinite?
Infinite? Disagree. Ikaw na rin.
Sir?
Ikaw na.
Kaya nga na sir.
Ako pag-agree ko kay Kwan. Tapos kaning kay pasara naman ko itong Kwan. Itong nasod eh. Mga kahoy. Itong putol na. Lagi katapusan.
Sir?
Disagree nga ka ng Kwan dito na. Na infinite ang kanang Kwan ng Earth kay namatay gitawag na kanang climate change no, so naging possible na kanang Earth kay Kwan diligid mag-reverse because of Kwan kanang mga ginabuhat sa mga Kwan o tao nga kanang like kanang pagkuan kanang pagtutulog mga kahoy isa na po na sa Kwan kanang mga hinungdan nga naging mga possible na Kwan mapiktahan ang Earth.
So, that's all sir. Thank you kayo niyo.
Ako din si Angel.
Do you agree ba nga that our is a finite earth?
Yes, I agree. Sa ato nga karong panahon, ang init kayo. Sa mga tao, mga buhat nila, mga pamutulog kahoy, pagsunod ng mga basura, muna hinungdan sa atong bali. Ato ang kalibutan nga pati ng inita.
Maura to, ma'am. So, thank you kayo, ma'am.
Hey guys, by the way, I am Baludel, and in the interview say that they agree that
Ours is a finite earth.
it say that everything has its own end, so does our earth. Our earth has an end, and I believe that one day it will no longer exist. Our earth is suffering because of humans who neglected their responsibilities by doing harmful things that harms the earth, such as cutting down trees, throwing trash everywhere that causes flooding, air pollution, water pollution, and many more that are harmful to the humans and animals who live in the land and sea. The natural resources that Earth produces are limited and sooner or later meets its end. And when that happens, human will face the consequences. We only have one Earth, so let's cherish and give importance to our Earth. Let's be responsible for our own wrongdoings. Let's us help save our Earth.